हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम करेंगे इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट। A for apple,
A for apple,
B for ball,
B for ball,
C for cat,
C for cat,
D for dog,
D for dog,
E for elephant,
E for elephant,
F for fish,
F for fish,
G for grapes,
G for grapes,
H for hen,
H for hen,
I for ice cream,
I for ice cream,
J for jug,
J for jug,
K for kite,
K for kite,
L for lion,
L for lion,
M for monkey,
M for monkey,
N for nest,
N for nest,
O for orange,
O for orange,
P for peacock,
P for peacock,
Q for queen,
Q for queen,
R for rose,
R for rose,
S for swan,
S for swan,
T for telephone,
T for telephone,
U for umbrella,
U for umbrella,
V for van,
V for van,
W for watch,
W for watch,
X for xylophone,
X for xylophone,
Y for yacht,
Y for yacht,
Z for zebra।
Z for zebra.
अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दो। थैंक यू, बाय।